Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save Gumroad files so you can keep your digital purchases organized, access your content offline, and never lose track of your downloads in 2026. Let's get into it. First, navigate your personal Gumroad library. If you have multiple purchases, the best way to manage and save them all at once is through your centralized account dashboard. Log into your account at gumroad.com and click on the Library tab in the left-hand navigation menu. Locate the specific product you want to save and click the View Content button on the product card. The library is your digital vault in 2026. Creators often update their files, adding new chapters or updated software versions, and the library ensures you are always downloading the most recent version. If a creator adds a 2026 update to a product you bought years ago, it will appear here automatically for you to save. Clicking this button bypasses the need to navigate the entire marketplace and takes you straight to your unique download portal. This is the fastest method if you haven't set up a full account yet, or if you checked out as a guest. Next, choose and download individual files. Gumroad products often come as a bundle of different file types, PDFs, videos, zip files, and you may not want to save everything at once. On the product's content page, you will see a list of available files. Click the Download button next to the specific file you need. If the product is a video or audio file, you can also choose to watch or listen directly, but for permanent saving, always look for the downward pointing arrow icon. Storage management is a priority in 2026. Large 4K video courses or high-resolution texture packs can take gigabytes of space. By selecting only the specific PDF or Module 1 video you need right now, you save bandwidth and local disk space, while knowing the rest are safely waiting in the cloud. And that's pretty much it. To save your Gumroad files in 2026, either click the View Content button in your email receipt or log in to your Gumroad library. From there, you can download individual files directly to your computer or use the mobile app to toggle Available Offline for access anywhere. Remember to organize your downloads into a backup folder so you never lose your creative assets. The Gumroad app is optimized for sync and go. Selecting Available Offline downloads the content into the app's encrypted cache so you can watch or read without a data connection. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.